want me to park it right here?
Yeah. Well, there it
Got
is.
it. That's
I
satisfying.
cut myself.
Oh, you did?
A little, well, barely. So this, I don't know what. Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Easy on.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. There it is. Brake lines.
And
Is that
another
the
one right here.
Oh, you got it?
Yeah. Yeah.
What's that?
That's freaking angle. Hold this one.
Oh. Damn. Is that it?
No.
It's turning.
Yeah, it seemed like it.
Got it. It is. We don't have to do that middle.
No, I don't think so. It has to adjust it, no? It's stuck on there.
Got it.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I got it.
That with the old saw jack though. What if I could sell that? Put the new cotter pin in. Oh shoot. Damn. It's pretty low. So it's pretty low, but it looks like we're still clearing. Yep.
But it's just, we're higher too. Yeah, it's lower.
I had to do this to get the lower sway bar link off that way. This could come out and just twist. Uses a 5.5 hex.
Oh, I forgot we gotta do the other shit.
Got it? There it is. That's the only piece to it. There you go. So I've messed up.
Juan Luis.
Juan Luis again? out with the old. Alright. Alright, we got it down. We just held it with this foot and kind of just pulled it.
You think it's friendly?
He looks friendly. I would have pet him though, but
I don't. I mean, I like petting them, but you never know. It looks friendly.
the eyes
Yeah, that's tight.
took off. Got it on there. Just need to tighten the bucket back. Spring is out. Yeah. It might be low or high, I'm not sure.
It's hard to break it.
That's not bad. I don't know if I should just keep it like that or...
It's up to you.
What do you guys think? It's not bad. Alright, so we got it to exactly 3 inches right there. That's where it's gonna sit. Oh shit.
I'm just tightening it up.
This is the right height right now we're looking at. It's a little aggressive. A little aggressive. This is eye level right here. It's the front. Tuck it.
Yeah, that's what he said.
Two wheeling it.
Check out my little shout out, maybe? I seen a sticker. I was gonna go closer, but
That's a little podcast secret.
watch out, dude. I'm a lord.